What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Brian Ford, Ooni Ambassador, also known as Artisan B, and today we're in the kitchen because I'm making sourdough cinnamon rolls for you, and later we're gonna bake them in the Ooni Pro. So let's go. We're gonna make it real easy today. We're using our stand mixer. We got 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of levain, 250 grams of milk, 1 egg, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of sugar, some honey, some salt, and a little bit of lemon zest. Make sure you check the full recipe on Uni.com. Give it a spin on medium speed until it comes together. And it wasn't even hooked up. All right, there we go. What you're looking for is a dough that's nice and soft. All right, guys, so what you're gonna wanna do after your dough is finished, we're gonna put it back in the bowl. We're gonna let it ferment at room temperature for 5 hours. Then we're gonna throw it into the we're gonna put it into the fridge for 12 hours. You already know I got that other dough that's been chilling because your boy Artisan B is prepared. I'm prepped. So let's go outside, fill our cinnamon rolls, proof them, and bake them in that Ooni Pro because it's gonna be super fire. It's time to fill and shape our cinnamon rolls, man. After all the fermentation has happened in the bulk stage, it's time to roll it out. And then we've got our filling, which is basically just brown sugar, butter, and crushed pecans and cinnamon. First thing you wanna do, get a little bit of flour on your work surface, not too much. Set up your dough in this square shape, pat it down, get your rolling pin. Woo, boy, that dough's smelling massively good. That dough is smelling excellent. You know what I'm saying? So we got our dough into this rectangle. Now we're gonna take our filling. Man, I could smell the butter, the cinnamon, the pecans crushed up, the brown sugar. Once that's spread, we're gonna roll this into a tight log. Look at that, Woo! Look at that, boy! That's called techers. For y'all cats in the UK, I know y'all watching, that's called pro techers, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna chop one end. It's not gonna have that much filling, all right? Well, we're gonna chop like that. Boom. We'll take our end pieces. We're not gonna throw these away. I'm gonna just keep these for a different mix, like pate fermenté. Take some butter. Get that nice and buttery. We're gonna start with one in the middle. We're gonna put a couple on the side. And of course, our extra cinnamon rolls, all we're gonna do is put them in the fridge. All right, guys, so these are sourdough cinnamon rolls. So what we're gonna need to do is proof these for 3 hours. You can see how deliciously beautiful they are right now because now they're touching. You know what I'm saying? They're ready to get into the Ooni Pro. We're gonna go ahead and pop these guys in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. We don't need to do any egg wash or nothing like that. Why are we doing it in Ooni Pro? Because you already know it's wood fired, man. You got wood fired pastries. You already know I'm showing up for that. It's been about 16 minutes. And let me tell you something right now, man. These cine rolls is looking divine. Man, come on, check this out, man. Look at this. So what we're looking for with an enriched dough, we're looking for about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't even explain the Ooni Pro wood-fired cinnamon roll. Look at this. This is the middle piece. My gosh. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Artisan Bryan. It's your boy Brian Ford. Let me know if you got any questions on the recipe. Holla at your boy.